Alrighty guys, we have finished day number 2 of book signing. My hands are both still fully functional by some miracle. Today we did about 1,500 more regular signed copies, which doesn't sound nearly as much as we did yesterday, but that's because we also spent several hours today doing the limited edition books. So that was the 250 that are going to come in these really cool fancy clamshells, and they include a personalized message. So the awesome folks who were able to get those got to write down what do you want me to have, what do you want me to say in the book, and so it took me a lot longer to go through and write all of those personal messages. Although, to be honest, it was actually a lot of fun. It was both a nice change of pace from just a signature and everything, and it was also neat to get some feel for who some of you guys are who bought the books. So went through a number of them from various international locations, and some cool comments from people who are aspiring gunsmiths and collectors and so on. So anyway, I have now a huge sea of books that I've signed. There's like a little more than 4,000 of them here. We have, I think, about 2,300 left to do tomorrow, plus just the last couple personalized limited editions. So if all goes well, we'll be able to knock those out. I'm gonna ice my hand this evening. I did that last night as well, and so far everything's working out pretty well.